You'll have love at first sight with the 2010 Toyota Prius. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a versatile and stylish Toyota Prius. This industry-leading hybrid features ample cargo space, hatchback practicality, and the safety and multimedia tech you need to keep you focused, connected, and entertained. All this and sculpted good looks bring comfort and confidence to every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, MP3 player, driver vanity mirror. This is the ideal time to take advantage of the Prius's cost-saving fuel efficiency, and we're here to make it easy for you. Come in for a test drive today.